Here we go, guys. Buckle up, get your coffee, put your headphones on, and let's roll. And we say goodbye to Michigan and welcome to Ohio. It's kind of ironic as I follow what appears to be an Ohio school bus. I'm following that across the border. Also, don't mind all the bug guts on my windshield. I try to swerve to avoid them, but it turns out I don't have the reaction time. I can't do it. I can't do it. I end up running a lot of cars off the road. Almost there, guys. So guys, I still don't have a call for cooling on this unit. I went downstairs. It's because the thermostat's satisfied. So we are going to create our own call for cooling. I'm just gonna bypass that and yeah, see what happens. I was just about to throw a jumper on there and it kicked into AC mode. Let's see if I can get any of this to come across on camera. My screen is up as bright as it can be, I guess. So, not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see any of this, but we are at 152 on my low side, 315 on my high side, slowly dropping. Our ambient temperature is 82 right now, so I'm probably going to get a condensing temperature of 100 and, what are we running here, a 410? 102, maybe 110, I guess. I'm not 100% sure, but I think these newer Trane units are running at 25 degree above ambient condensing temperature. Our evaporator temperatures still dropping. We're down to 51 degrees. Suction saturation temperature, rather. And that's saying 115 degrees. Which is not correct. See, blower isn't engaged. I'm gonna have to pull that panel off, make sure our blower is actually blowing. I'll give it a second because it literally just kicked on, so. But our temperature inside this supply plenum should be dropping much faster. I mean, we're just slowly dropping. That's weird. Yeah, that's my return over there. This is my supply, so I'm on the right side. Panel isn't open or nothing crazy like that. But we're still hovering like around 110 degree supply temperature. Awesome. All right, let me pull that panel open real quick, guys. Hold on a second. I don't know if you guys can see this, but according to my scientific tools of measurement, it's 172 degrees in my supply plenum. Doesn't make any sense. I mean, I feel like what's happening is there's a layer of insulation that I'm just pushing forward instead of stabbing through. You know what I'm saying? Like, so this is my secondary, my backup one. And I feel like there's I don't know, I can feel like some sort of resistance, but I'm not popping through it. So I'm gonna pull that bottom panel off, shut this unit down real quick, pull that bottom panel off and see what we got. Something funky's going on. I totally forgot we got heat strips in this thing. I haven't checked the wiring yet, but I would guarantee as soon as I power this thing on, I'm going to be getting heat strip action, and that's why my supply plenum is so hot. I just heard the heat strip contactor pulling. Yeah, right there. Our heat strips are on right now. I mean, do we actually have a call for heat? You know, come to think of it, I don't even have any wires on my W1. So how do, what are we on, orange, ground? How do my heat strips know when to come on? First, let's see if we have something on Y1. So I have anything on Y1. So why am I heating right now? Alright, let me dive into this a little bit, because obviously I shouldn't be heating right now. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. I am legitimately calling for cooling for some reason, or heat rather. So my heat strips are on right now. It's 80 degrees outside. In the defense of this unit though, and I'm going off on high limit. That's that clicking noise you heard, that's my contactors just shutting off because I'm cycling on and off on high limit. I mean, we don't have an economizer on here, of course. But why? It can't be that. And I haven't been downstairs yet. It literally can't be that cold downstairs. So, let's go downstairs and check it out then. First stage, let's go double check, but we should be in cooling up on the roof. Walking, and we're walking over here. And we are in cooling mode, so the hell, man. I take that back, see? Our heat strips did just kick on. Why are my heat strips coming on? I knew they were, I wasn't crazy. See? Right there. What the fuck's going on here? Pardon my French. What the F is going on here? Why are they cycling on and off? I'm gonna test across my high limit. Let me put this down real quick, guys. So right here, I've sort of isolated everything, a little bit anyway. Here's my W1 coming from my thermostat downstairs. And we're just gonna check a couple things real quick. I wanna make sure I do have, so I got 24 volts. I don't know how well you guys can see that. It's bright out here. I can't see my camera, so. Anyway, we got 24 volts on my Y1, which is what I want. But then also, let's see if I can do this so you guys can see it too. Come on, meter. There we go. All right, let's do this again real quick. 24 volts Y1, right? And we got, let's check this guy out. All right, you watching? Pay attention now. 24 volts on W1 as well. Hold on. I'm sure you guys saw it, but there. See? So our thermostat is apparently calling for heating and cooling at the same time, which is ridiculous. So I'm going to change that thermostat. I replaced the thermostat, guys. I verified I no longer have a call for heat on my W1 terminal. Our supply temperature is now, I don't know if you guys can see this. It's so bright out here. There we go, 52. Supply temperature is now 52. And I'm just sort of monitoring my operational pressures, my operating pressures. The evaporator temperature right now is 41 degrees, 41.2, rising. It's kind of flopping around a little bit. And my condensing temperature is 96 degrees. So we're doing pretty good. I'm gonna creep around here for a bit, get some water, and just kind of monitor it, see if anything crazy happens. All right, guys, we're all set here for today. That unit's up and running. This unit right here with the Bastion coils up and running. It's hot out. I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna get out of here. All right. We'll see you guys on the next one.